Hello everybody, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Today is part 2 of my fashion haul. Please do excuse the little noise. I don't know if you can hear it in the background. It's my fan. It's very hot, as you can see from my shining forehead. It's very hot. Anyways, this haul is going to be a shoe haul. I know I had mentioned possibly adding accessories, but I do just want to focus on the new shoes that I got. If any of you know this about me, I am a shoe fanatic. I have a slight little problem that I am working on fixing, but for the most part, I've got it under control. So I'm just gonna show you guys the shoes that I got, why I love them, possibly give some style suggestions if you happen to have them or want to purchase them, and yeah, let's jump right in. So the first pair of sneakers that I have are these beautiful. They're like a mustard orange, I guess you could say. These are the Adidas, the HU, they're by Pharrell, or Pharrell's design. And I actually got them because I was styling a shoot for my boyfriend. And we saw the sneakers, I saw the sneakers, I picked them out. He claims that he picked them out, and then I picked them out because I loved them and I wanted to know if they had them in a women's size, and then everyone was like, nah, they only carried in men, blah blah blah. I went on a hunt. I found these. I brought them from Life, I believe.com, which is based out of Philly, and I've been in love with them ever since. I think they're just fun, they're bright. I dressed them, I've worn them with a dress. If you watch my previous video, I wore it with that striped Zara dress. I've worn it with sweats, shorts. They're really comfortable, and I have them in a size 6, which is like, I think, big kids, and they fit really comfortably. So if you're looking for a sneaker that's comfortable and you could literally just kind of throw on and go, definitely get these. So the next shoe I have is also a sneaker. I've been in a sneaker kind of mood. They're a little dirty, so they are new, but I wear them a lot. And they are, of course, the Vans high top skater. I also got these. What size are these? These are 5.5 in men, 7 in women. They fit really comfortably. And my low tops are actually a 6 in men. For whatever reason, the high tops, it's like a little different of a fit for me, so I had to go down a size. I really love them. I wanted a new pair of white sneakers. I have the Adidas shell-toed, like originals. But I wanted another pair, so I got these, and they're fine, and everyone loves Vans right now. They're literally everything. I think I want to get another pair in yellow, but I got white. Who I have is also another sneaker, and these are from Aldo. They give me a very Stan Smith vibe. That's why I got them. I had, actually it's still here on my channel, one of the first videos I put up was a DIY where I spray painted a pair of Converse that I had, neon green. I really just like bright sneakers, and I saw these. They were actually on sale for $35. I got them for $35, and I got them, I think these are a 7.5, but honestly, I probably could have done the 7. I just, with shoes that are not like sneaker brands, I go up a half a size just because I feel like they're usually, you know, it's a little bit tougher. It's not as soft as the way a normal sneaker would be, so I want to make sure my foot's not getting a blister, because you got to take care of your feet if you want to wear shoes all the time. So these are them, fun. I'm probably going to wear these again pretty soon. I've worn them once. They're super comfortable, and I love them. I've really gotten in that habit of wearing sneakers, but I'm trying to slowly come out of that habit and go back to heels, because the tendency is when you wear sneakers for too long, your foot kind of gets a little flatter, and then you get comfortable with a sneaker, and then when you put on a heel, you can only wear it for 3 seconds before you're in pain. So I'm trying. The next shoe that I have is actually, a flat. These are from Aldo. I'm really into kind of like slide-on flats, that mule type of feel. These are regular sandals, obviously, but there's a little heel here. If you can see the little bit of the detail right there. It's cute, I think. It has just enough of a touch of embellishments. These were $50. I actually had an Aldo gift card, and what I love about them is, I don't know if you guys can see, but it has the like thong thing for the feet. My feet are really skinny, so a lot of the times these type of shoes, I don't fit them because my foot slides through, so to have that really helps me, and part of the reason why I love them. I actually went on a mission to find these. The Aldo by me said they didn't have them and that they were nowhere near me, like in the surrounding states, and I actually found them in South Jersey at the Menlo Park Mall. I love them so much that guess what I did? I got them in another color, because I mean, you can't have, when you find something that's great, you just have to get another color. So I got the rose gold pair. They're so pretty. I just think they're so like, just, you know, just a nice touch of funsiness, nothing over the top. You could wear it with jeans, but you could also throw on a little black dress and just, you know, be comfy and cute. And I like rose gold. I think it's very pretty, as you can see. Like my gold is rose gold. Most of my stuff is rose gold. And I think they're cute. They're pretty comfortable, I will say. Again, got them in size 7. And I'm gonna get, actually on Amazon they have these new things where it's called like the heel gel. So basically when you have a flat sandal on and my arch is a little funky, you put it right here and it gives you a little bit more arch support. So I'm gonna get that. But other than that, I love them. The next shoe that I have is from Zara. I love Zara heels. I call it Zara just because I studied in Barcelona and they pronounce every Z's like with the. Anyways, nonetheless, I always I wanted a pair of yellow heels in suede. I actually saw the Steve Madden pair, and for whatever reason they were not comfortable for me. They kind of just, the toe box area was not working for my foot. So I went to Zara and I saw these. These are actually it's faux leather, but I think I like this finish more than the suede because it won't get dirty. And yellow's just like a fun color. As you obviously can see with the shoes that I've shown you, I was looking for brighter things in my closet. So I decided to get these babies. The next shoe I have is almost the same exact thing in a different color. These are from Zara as well. These were actually a hand-me-down. Same style. I really like pointed toe shoes. For anyone really, to be honest, although you should be careful with the toe box in terms of bunions and all that stuff and just crowding your toes, pointed toe shoes do flatter the leg. Whether you have slender legs, thicker legs, shorter legs, it just creates a nice look and appeal. And that's why most of my pumps are pointed toes. Next, I have these. Again, I'm just in love with color this summer and spring going into summer season. I have these mules. They are by Kohan. I do have a gel on the bottom, not because they are uncomfortable, but again, my foot is a little slender, so sometimes it tends to slide. I got these from DSW. These were $48. I also used a gift card for these. And they're really comfortable. The heel height is just the right amount, and it's a black heel, so you get that support. I just love this blue. I just think it's so pretty. And again, jeans, a little dress, shorts. You could do a lot with these things. And obviously, if you don't know, they are into the season. We are lazy gals this summer and just want to slide on our shoes and go. So if you're looking for something like that, definitely check these out. DSW also has plenty, like, when I tell you plenty of shoes online and in store. DSW was actually one of the first stores that really made me fall in love with shoes because I was able to get designer brands for obviously a great price, and I'm always about a sale. And it was going there and going into the clearance department and seeing like the 30, 40, 50, 70% off and getting a pair of shoes that were originally $110 for 30 bucks really just opened my eyes to falling in love with shoes. And I like the finer things, so it's definitely one of my go-to secret spots if you want to know where I get a lot of my shoes. I would say DSW and Zara. I'll do a little bit, but mostly those two stores is where I get my stuff from. So these next shoes are from Zara. These are actually my birthday shoes. Funny thing is, I was going to a wedding and I had saw the gold version of these online. That's what introduced me to the shoe. I got the gold version. It was a different material. I brought them home and this part actually was a little uncomfortable. But when I was in the store, I saw these and I told myself, because I was trying to be disciplined, I was like, you can't buy both of the shoes at the same time, so you have to pick. I chose the gold ones and ultimately ended up going back and got these, not realizing that these would be my birthday shoe. It's really nice. The heel is actually like a navy blue, like a deep navy, and then you have just like the stripes. Very classy, very comfortable. Zara makes pretty comfortable shoes, especially their sandals. And the heel is pretty thick too and solid, which I'm always looking for, because sometimes when the heel is too skinny, it creates a lot of pressure on the back, for the heel of your foot. And this area tends to get uncomfortable when you're walking after a while. So these are from Zara. These were also around, I would say, probably $49. Again, I've been using gift cards and all of these other lovely things that I got for my birthday for these items. But if you go now, they're probably on sale. They're still there. Zara's having a really big sale right now, as are most of the retail places, because they're transitioning from summer to fall items. So check it out. And last but certainly not least, can you guess where the last pair of shoes are from? Now, if you haven't noticed already, I've only stayed in 4 brands, so it shouldn't be hard. It's one of those brands. Take a guess. I'll wait. They're from Aldo! These shoes, again, I just think that every shoe that I have, they really do become like a part of my family. I know people that think that's crazy, but like, I say hi to them, I say welcome to the family, they go up on the shelf, the newer shoes get center shelf, the older shoes get moved to the top so everyone can see them when they come in my room. But I really do have stories with all of my shoes. This story in particular, my lovely, lovely, lovely bride-to-be, who I am the maid of honor for her wedding, Pearl, was going through shoes that she wanted me to like help her choose for a photo shoot. She showed me the black version of these. Now, she doesn't remember that because I wore these to her bridal shower and she didn't remember that. But when I saw the purple version, again, I was on a mission. Sold out. So I'm a size 7 in sandals, and I actually called everywhere. I was like, do you have the shoe? Do you have the shoe? The only place that they had it was Florida. Now, if you know, with Aldo, if it's in another store, you have to be physically in that store to buy them. It's not like I can buy them over the phone, where some retailers allow you to do that. You have to physically be in the store, or you can buy them online. They were not online, they were only in the store. So I was like, it's all right, it's not meant to be. But they didn't leave my mind. They didn't leave my mind. Like, and that's how I know that a shoe is meant to be for me. Like, if I walk away from it and it's still on my mind the next day and the following day, and I'm now making outfits in my head with the shoes that I don't have, that means I need to get them. So I saw these. They're size 6.5. I was so determined to get these shoes that I did not care that they were size 6.5. And they fit me exactly. When I say exactly, like my toes are right here. My heel is right here, but I love them. Now, they're not the most comfortable, obviously, because they're size 6.5. But that's when you become choosy with your shoes and you say, hey, where am I going where I could show my shoe off and sit down? Now, I was brave and bold because, again, I'm the maid of honor and I wore these to her bridal shower where I was running around. And I said, if I could get through the bridal shower with these on, I can get through anything. Literally anything. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for tuning into my haul. I hope that you found some new items that you could add to your closet, or even some new inspirations. I'm always hoping that you guys will add a little bit more color to your life. Anyone who comes around me knows that I love, 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 love color. And I love pushing people towards color and bold, fun prints, and just, you know, coming out of the traditional box of black shoes, white shoes, red shoes. Let's add a little spice in your life. Nonetheless, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye. It's like wrong with me. Excuse me.